Use the Pokédex to print out whatever you want. Go to the Pokemon that you want to print out and go to print. If you want to take a picture of your Pokemon stats and moves, you go to Cyanwood City, you go to Cameron's house. He runs the photo studio. Just go talk to him. Just go talk to him, bro. We're going to do Tyranitar again. Isn't this cool? If you've also completed the Pokédex, you can go to Celadon City and go to the Game Freak Development Room. There, somebody will give you a diploma, and you can also print that out using the GameBoy Printer. Talk to the graphic artist, and he can print it out for you. There is also an option to print out whatever mail you give to your Pokemon. In this case, we'll be showcasing the portrait mail, which you can get from Mount Moon Square. Naturally, I gave it to my Tyranitar. If you press start, you print it out. Oops. Still got the message through. God damn, he fit! Now, it's not only limited to Pokemon Crystal. It also works with Pokemon Yellow, Pokemon Picross, and many other kinds of games. But what I will also show you is Pokemon Trading Card Game. Recently, I've discovered an infinite money glitch. All you need is an eBay account. This is what you do. Turn on your PC, go to print, Pokemon cards, click on Charizard, and print it out.
Look, a PSA 10 Charizard First Edition. Sell that bad boy for $100K. You're welcome.